The coin lady here, saying hello and welcome back to my channel. After this occurs, XRP is going to soar. So, what exactly is this amazing news? In today's video, we will discuss that as well as a general mass of recent crypto-related events. For the simple reason that XRP prices will soar during this bull cycle due to the enormous adoption curve that is going to occur. However, it will not take place within the time range that many of you anticipate. Additionally, additional red days will be visible prior to then. In today's video, we'll go over several serious technical signs, and we'll also warn you about certain major institutional traps to avoid at all costs. Our video for today will cover all of that and more. Make sure you hit that like button, and let's dive into some current crypto news, starting with Morgan Stanley, an asset management with $1.3 trillion in assets, reporting more than $187 million worth of Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin ETF holdings, and it's massive. This doesn't even take into account all of their cryptocurrency or ETF holdings, so it's clear that this is a major deal. Their Bitcoin ETF holdings have increased by $180 billion this year alone, and they're just going to keep adding more. Many of their investors are keen on expanding their exposure to cryptocurrencies in general, and while adoption curves like these generally take some time, the rate of adoption for Bitcoin ETFs in particular is shocking. The rate of adoption of cryptocurrencies is outpacing that of almost every other business in history. It has never been done before. I have never witnessed such a rapid influx of wealth into a single market, not even with the dot-com boom of the early 2000s. It has come to light that other large organizations, such as MetaMask, are causing quite a stir as well. Did you hear about the MetaMaster's new debit card relationship with MasterCard? MetaMask is already rather large. Their wallet add-in is something I make use of. Using it to conduct transactions on the Ethereum mainnet, BNB Polygon, and a plethora of other blockchains, including Avalanche and, I suppose, Solana, will be a huge boon. And their partnership with MasterCard will only increase the accessibility of cryptocurrency for regular people like us who want to use it for everyday purchases. I'm actually thinking of teaming up with some credit card companies on my channel to bring you all some awesome content, like sending some of you shopping sprees and having a Mr. B-style video where you can all watch for free. You can be sure that I will start conducting these challenges pretty soon, so if you would like to be a part of it, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Next, I'd want to discuss XRP-related topics, since there are also many exciting developments in this area. First, a crypto law attorney has just given their thoughts on the ongoing XRP lawsuit and the next steps that are anticipated to be taken in this matter legally. What Stu Alderety is basically trying to imply is that we shouldn't be concerned since the SEC will never be able to challenge the decision that XRP is not a security. I am astounded. Does this mean the SEC can challenge the settlement amount? Sure, they can, but the legal system isn't going to be too pleased with them. Amazing news again, it's quite unlikely that it will have any good impact on them whatsoever, even if they do it. I get that, they're free to do so if they so desire. But, as the lawyer pointed out, nobody lost money on their XRP investments, so it's a lost cause from the beginning. Well, let's be real here. I have a question for you. I'm going to be quite accurate. In light of these recent political developments and court decisions, what lies ahead for XRP? If that's so, then what? Plus, there's a vast amount. To be fair, there are naysayers. For example, Elizabeth Warren takes a firm stand against cryptocurrencies and has been known to attempt to manipulate the value of various digital assets by claiming they are all part of a larger conspiracy to launder money. However, regardless of your political leanings, it is becoming increasingly apparent that Bitcoin is here to stay. Politicians that refuse to acknowledge the inherent value of cryptocurrency to the general public will inevitably fail to further their careers. Significantly, many of these individuals now face political suicide if they adopt an anti-crypto posture. Speaking of potential collaborations in the future, Ripple has now announced a massive cooperation with SBI Digital, a firm based in Japan, to promote Web 3.0 using the XRP ledger. A new strategic alliance with Ripple was established on Tuesday with the goal of increasing XRP ledger usage throughout the Web 3.0 ecosystem. I have to give Japan a lot of credit for their efforts to promote and spread the usage of Web3 technologies through SBI Digital Community, a component of the wider SBI Group, a renowned financial services conglomerate based in Japan. In addition to XRP's use in banking, they've recently made some very astute choices regarding other partnerships in the Web 3.0 space. Meanwhile, many Japanese video game studios, like Square Enix, are making huge investments in the NFT space. And these dudes have created mind-blowing games like Final Fantasy, which have produced astronomical sums of money. This is incredibly fantastic news, and the impact of partnerships like these cannot be overstated. It's probable that we will witness an increase in the frequency of such collaborations. Now, if you're asking why XRP hasn't skyrocketed in value following this collaboration announcement, the answer is rather straightforward. It hasn't happened yet, actually. So far, we haven't seen the volume. So far, we haven't seen any evidence of practicality or utility. What they are doing in the Web 3.0 space is still a mystery to us. Therefore, the precise size of this cooperation is unknown to us. But what I can say is that, in the coming months, particularly in a bullish market trend like we're experiencing at the moment, if we establish enough partnerships like this that utilize the XRP ledger and do continuously get more and more volume, which will now be easier with more regulatory clarity, it will have large price impacts. That is why, following our recent favorable verdict against the SEC, many experts are predicting that XRP will retrace to its 65 cents price point. Now we can observe that XRP has outperformed most cryptocurrencies over the last 30 days, with a gain of over 7%. However, there was an 8% decline in the last week, a correction that I predicted on this channel, and now the price of a coin is around 55 cents. Having said that, I do believe that we will have a great deal of good price momentum within a specified time frame, which I will demonstrate to you, and I also think that this is a fantastic level to maintain dollar cost averaging at. Yes, the rebound ought to be present, but it is clear that these experts are predicting that Ripples will reach 65 cents soon. On the hourly chart, XRP appears to be stuck between 56 and 57, with a subsequent decline to 55 cents. Experts have high hopes for XRP in 2024. That happened at the same time that cider became popular. Thursday is shaping up to be a shopping day with more purchasers and dollars as the dominant currency. Therefore, at this moment, our trading is not moving in either direction. Please accept my utmost gratitude for taking the time to view my video.